hatchback, guys. I tried to show you the market, the nightlife, the people of the far east of Thailand. Not many people go here. It's a very unknown area for tourists. And again, the hatchback. You think I can beat this bike? Okay. No. Thank you. So guys, yesterday's video we completed the market. We listened to some nice Thai music. There was a person who helped me in the food hunt as well. So yeah, it was a good experience. Guys, if you have any feedback, please let me know. I found this similar thing in Bangkok. I don't know what exactly this is. Something related to Buddha. Small temple, I guess. There is DIY everywhere. Most of the places I see this DIY, just like 7-Eleven. That's a good thing. All my Indonesian friends, hope you are doing well, and I'm just still learning Indo. Selamat malam. Yeah. Okay. This is what I'm talking about, guys. The road is so huge, so wide, clean, but not many vehicles. It's not really a business center, but that's good. They are keeping in mind for the next 30 years development. Everywhere there are cafes here. As I'm not a typical vlogger who keeps showing you know, what is the prices of a particular thing in that country, like this country. I want to keep it real, not too much of um, not too much of technical things. Just going to keep it this way. People enjoying their food for the evening. Car wash with some food. So guys, I talk to you soon. There's nothing much here.